Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Las Cruces, White Sands area. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Super 8 by Wyndham Las Cruces, White Sands area located 5 miles from the Branigan Cultural Center. This Las Cruces hotel offers laundry facilities and a to-go breakfast. Free Wi-Fi is included in all guest rooms. The air-conditioned rooms at the Las Cruces Super 8 feature cable TV with extended channels. All rooms provide tea and coffee making facilities as well as a microwave and fridge. The comfortably furnished rooms include a seating area and work desk. A 24-hour reception is offered at the Super 8 Las Cruces. Fax and photocopying services are available for added convenience. Spaceport America is 15 minutes drive from the hotel. The Sonoma Ranch Golf Course is 3 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.